Hello everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and I'm so happy with this look. Yes, today we're gonna use holiday collection from MAC. Look at this beautiful package. I already made one video where we use an eyeshadow. It's come in two different color. One is like a blue teal undertone, and I already have video, and it's another palette, and its name I Love Surprise. Beautiful 6 eyeshadows here, two it's matte colors, this one and this one, and rest of like a shimmery sparkle, and this one black one, it's very unusual. It looks like black but it have a gold sparkles there. Love this. Again, 6 eyeshadow for $36, and finally, you know, I discovered something new. It's a duo. Again, it's limited edition holiday MAC collection. This is lip gloss on me, this is lipstick on me, and for these two items it's only $16. You can go with this soft lip, you can go wrong. Then I have more to show you. In this video we're gonna use also new palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is its name, Beautiful Face Palette. And I do have a new limited edition highlighter from MAC. Let me show you how it looks. Woo, right here. But you know what, girls, get excited, get your brushes, let's together create this beautiful look. I'm coming close to camera because I really like how I look today, how my eyes look, and it's just stunning. I truly like enjoying this look. Okay, love you more than ice cream. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and remember, all these products will be listed below, or you can go to Instagram, go to my link, and you can shop from there. Okay, let's start. I have on me only foundation, and it's foundation by MAC Studio Fix. Let's put a little bit concealer under my eyes, and then today I'm gonna use eyeshadow shield because I'm not sure how good this eyeshadow. We're gonna try, we're gonna see, and it is beautiful. It is very pretty. Okay, let's do it. Concealer, eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow shield, and here we go. My concealer I use in Pro Lone wearing MAC number NW20. It is full coverage concealer, and actually I put a little bit too much using Bobbi Brown brush. I love this brush. This is so far right now my favorite concealer brush. And let's give me a lip. You can see I pushing a little bit my concealer, like up. Melting with my finger because I put a little bit too much. Again, it's a full coverage concealer. Now eyeshadow primer from MAC. Girls, I'm looking for another eyeshadow primer. I want something different. I tried like so many of them. This is my favorite. Also, like, I know I asking my girls who's in the makeup world, who work with me, I'm like, what is your favorite? What is your favorite? Everyone so far says this is one of my #1 favorite, but please let me know which one is your favorite. I do not like any clear eyeshadow primer. I like with little bit color, but because I have discoloration on my eyelid, and you can see it's just cover every my little veins or darkness here. Okay, if you have a different suggestion, please let me know. Okay, I have concealer, I have eyeshadow primer, and now we're gonna work with eyeshadow. Okay, where are we gonna start? Okay, let's start with this color. It's a matte color, and always do like this, tap to take extra excess. I'm putting this color a little bit on corner on the entire my eyelid, and now we're just gonna blend up and create like a medium color. It's okay if we're gonna go a little, I already make mistake, I went a little bit too low, but we will clean later on with concealer. But just applying one color, and of course blend. Same eyeshadow, I'm gonna use little bit underneath, and just very soft and blend. Will make my eyes much more bigger, will open my eyes. Ooh. Now I'm gonna use this darker color. This is first color, which one we use. Now we're using this. It's matte, it's a little bit more darker, more deep, like it's a brown brick color. And I apply it very close to my lash line and trying to make like a soft like liner, like little bit like winky wink right here. And it looks like it's smoky, it's not like harsh line. I have a big like pointy blending brush, but you can also use a small tiny brush and just dab and push like make a little bit wink. Same darker eyeshadow I'm gonna use underneath. I still wanna use this brush, but it's dirty. I'm using just paper towel and I'm just cleaning this brush a little bit, and then I'm just gonna a little bit more smudge and blend. Now I have a big blending brush and I'm just gonna little bit more blend here. Now it's time to use eyeliner, and I'm gonna use black eyeliner, waterproof by Estee Lauder 24-hour wearing. Oops. And I'm just gonna put this eyeliner between my lashes. And let me come a little bit close to you, and you can see a big difference where I have eyeliner, and this is where I do not. Now, same eyeliner I'm gonna put on top, and because I am already 43, I need little bit lift my eye. It's okay if its eyeliner don't look perfect, because we're gonna use black eyeshadow on top. I have a small tiny brush and we're gonna use black color. And this black color have a little bit like a gold sparkles. Ooh, looks so pretty. I'm not sure if I even wanna put any sparkles. And little bit this black eyeshadow underneath. If you don't want any shimmer, it's already pretty, but I'm still gonna use this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use my finger, and we're gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow. Now it's time to put a little bit mascara and false lashes. I forgot I have a beautiful limited edition gold eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put on my waterline. It's not too we'll say aggressive color. It's very soft gold. And now I'm gonna show you my little trick. This is just clean Q-tip. I have Fix Plus by MAC. I'm gonna very little spray this. And now we're gonna just little bit clean this. You see, I'm just little bit clean right here and right here. Same arm cleaner right here. And what I do, because my eyes, it's not like a perfect shape, one it's up, one it's down, but it's mean I want this little bit wings, little bit more looks like clean, polished and even. And I always like put a little bit up my head, and I'm just, again, I am compared to one to each other, particularly this is it's my problem eye, and I slightly little bit clean this darker color. And now I'm gonna just grab soft brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just fill this part and make more like smoky, more blendable. Again, I'm using right now smaller brush. I'm gonna use this color, and I'm just gonna put close to this black line. And you can see we cover. And now we just all what we need, just blend. Also, if you ever mess a little bit right here, you can just put transparency powder and clean. But for this look, I look okay. Okay, mascara, false lashes, and remember mascara we need to put on the bottom too. For my mascara, I'm gonna use MAC mascara, and it's named Magic Extension, and I actually really like this mascara. I don't know you girls, but I really like this look. It's so pretty. It's like a smoky but soft. It's not too aggressive. Okay, let's finish this look. You know, because I'm just still planning to use plenty products on my face. I have a sample of Chanel powder La Beige. It is light coverage, it's not full coverage, and I'm gonna just use my old brush from Lancome, and I'm just gonna set my foundation. Now it's time to little bit warm my face, and I have a sample of Laguna bronze from North, and this is such a good color for me. And if you never know what color you should use, go and try this one, North bronze. It just like such a beautiful undertone, and I know I believe it's like #1 selling bronze in United States. Bronze it's done, and this looks beautiful on me. Then let's put this highlighters. This is from MAC new again limited edition holiday collection highlighter. Look at this color. It's like a pinky undertone. It's maybe a little bit too dark for me, but let's try, let's see. Very little. Ooh, it's like a pinky sparkles. I think this will be pretty also for eyes. I'm not sure if I'm 100% sold to use this my highlighter. I think it's a little bit like too I want more final product. This is a little bit sparkles, a little bit too heavy for me. Okay, it's okay. it's pretty package, and I know a lot of people like this. I actually will probably like this is eyeshadow. And now we're gonna use this. We're gonna use Pillow Talk new. It's named Pillow Talk Beautiful Face Palette, and it's medium color. We have two color, light and medium. We have two highlighters here, and we have two blushes here. Okay, let's use highlighter first. And I'm gonna use this with light one, and look at how pretty. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit right here. Okay, yeah, a little bit right here, a little bit right here. Oops. Above my lips, it's so pretty. A little bit right here. Ah, gorgeous. And now let's use a blush, and I will actually mix these two colors together. One it's a little bit darker and brighter, and this is more softer. And here it's initial Charlotte Tilbury, and here it's named Pillow Talk. It's a beautiful holiday present, girls. Again, it's so beautiful. Amazing palette. Again, we're gonna mix these two color together. Oh, it's so pretty, particularly this darker color. I love this darker color, and they feels a little bit like more like a creamy, I feel. I also have a limited edition holiday collection for lips. This is beautiful, beautiful lip color, and it's color peach. It's right here, and then we're gonna use lip gloss, and it's I think all this magical. Okay, it's so pretty. And for my lip liner, I actually gonna use Clinique lip liner, and it's number 07 Intense Blush. I have just lipstick on me, and it's so pretty, beautiful, like a pinky light pink color, and actually it's named Blowing Bubble Lip Duo. It's only $16, and it's volume 29 still, and it's available in will be two different sets. This is one, it's like pink one, I will say. It's just so pretty. And now let's put this lip gloss. Ooh, I don't know about you girls, but I do like my look today. Today it's Monday. This is what I usually do, my shooting my videos Monday and Tuesday, and I'm not going nowhere. It's so sad because I do like this look. It's very pretty. I think I'm gonna more often just do my eyes like this. It's so pretty, it's so soft. I look young. Okay, just kidding. I am 44, but this is such a beautiful, beautiful collection. Absolutely in love with this eyeshadow palette. Also check it out, my link, subscribe, comments below. Let's grow together. Give me thumbs up whenever. What else should I say? I don't know, but I'm very happy because this is a beautiful holiday collection from MAC. Beautiful. Okay, love you all. Love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.